Front is secure. Good, start the winch. Rear is attached, ready to lift.
The engine's sound is great, but that patina is something special. We definitely need to keep that aesthetic. Let's photograph the rust for reference.
Severe corrosion here on the hood and fender. Definitely some deep dents we need to address. And the entire taillight and quarter panel are missing. Capture the wheel wells and the underside of the door.
Got it. Check the hood seam. All right, this seat is heavy. Be careful not to scuff the paint. Got it. Now for these wires, they're a mess. Looks like corrosion. Pass the screwdriver. All right, hit the grinder. You got it. Watch the sparks. Clear. Now help me lift this. All right, hood's loose. Yep. Positioning the chain now. Watch those cables, almost clear. Up she goes.
Decades of grime. Watch this go. Wow, look at that come off.
All right, let's mark these spots first. Yeah, that panel's pretty bad. Yeah. We'll cut it out and patch it. Need the grinder. The fit is perfect. Excellent work.
The front strut tower looks solid.
Good. Let's check the frame alignment. The chassis integrity has been restored. The replacement frame components are holding solid. All right, these are prepped. Time to get them on. Looking good, those bushings are solid.
Nice, ready to go.
Perfect, let's get these chains off.
Rebuilt transmission connected, powertrain restored. Final check complete.
Needs a little more on this edge here. Yeah, I see it. Hold this steady.
This is the final wet sand. Look how smooth that is.